I wanted to do this video and talk about one of my best-selling products. It's called the Digital Income Starter Kit. And I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of insight on what's inside of it, what you can expect when you purchase it, and also tell you who it's for. So I'm just going to break that down. So I basically created the Digital Income Starter Kit for anybody who's looking to get started selling digital products, and they might be a complete beginner. So you might be somebody you've been following all these content creators or gurus, and you're really though leaning towards trying out digital products, but you don't know where to start. You're a complete beginner. All you probably know is that, man, your job's not cutting it, whether it pays good or it doesn't. You're just not happy, or it takes too much of your time, whatever your reasons are. Or you just could be a person, you're looking to do some extra income, or you could already be in business and you want to add digital products into your business because you're not currently selling them and you're feeling like you're leaving money on the table. So I created this Digital Income Starter Kit for people who are trying to put all the pieces together on how to do this, what product to sell, what's the best product, where can I find products, what do I do when I get the product, how do I sell the product, how do I get traffic to the product, all of those things. I wanted to have a beginner's hub for those type of people. So that was what this is the reasoning behind me creating this product from the beginning. When I first started, all of this stuff wasn't available. You had to go a lot of different places to know, like I said, bring all the things together and finding out the information and all the things that go into creating and selling and making money with digital products. There's so much that goes into it. So I don't want you to think it's some super advanced thing. It's kind of like specifically created for beginners. So if that's something you want to do, you want to explore it, and you want it simple down, broken down step by step for you and all in one place, and you can start building it from there. This is why I created it. So that's the title, Digital Income Starter Kit. And you have the option to create your own digital products, but I also show you how to find digital products that are already pre-made and pre-done for you that you can get resale rights to and sell them as your own. When you first come into the Digital Income Starter Kit, there's going to be some modules. So each one of them, they walk you through the process of what's happening, and it's broken down by step by step. So I don't want you to feel like you're all over the place. And the second thing, when you purchase that product, you're going to also get a link to join my private Discord group, to where also if you get stuck or you have any questions, you can join us there and you can ask in the community. I'm very active in the community, so you can even ask me. So another cool thing about this, I try and update this with any and new products that I've created or I've stumbled upon that I'm actually selling, and they're actually making money with myself and also making money with other people I might be coaching and mentoring. All right, so first things first, I'm going to give you some products to start with. So including in your purchase, you're going to get 1 to 3 digital products that you can actually sell and start making money as quickly as 24 hours, depending on your learning curve. All right, so I'm going to give you some products, and the Digital Income Starter Kit itself is a product. So you're also going to get master resale rights to this product, and you can turn around and sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profit. So I made it possible for that, and it's super simple. But inside of this, you're going to get access to my digital product vault, and it's a PLR product vault, to where you can see how I get all of these different products and find ones that are actually really good that could potentially make you some money, right? Because they're making money with me. So you're going to get access to the same vault that I use, and these are digital products that you can download, make some minor changes, and they're in various niches. They're in make money online, they're health, wealth, and relationships, which is the top 3 niches. All right, so you'll be able to find products from there, and they're absolutely free. You won't have to pay anything extra. You can just download what you want, and you'll have access to them immediately once you land inside the Digital Income Starter Kit. And then I'm also going to introduce you to a little bit more premium products. These are products that I myself had to buy. So if you want to invest in them too, start adding them into your arsenal, or you want to choose that as your first digital product that you want to sell, I show you which ones that I'm actually using. I also provide the proof. So this is the inside of it right here. So one of them is a product called Funnel Freedom. And this is a product, or software, I should say, that was created by Jonathan Montoya. And I don't promote this real hard like I used to, but I'm still making recurring income from it. So I managed to get a number of people to sign up under me using my link for the lifetime of their membership to this software. I continue to get paid. As you can see, out of the entire world, other people are also selling this product as well. I placed number 18th. I recommend this if you want to start it. And then when you click the button, I show you how to set that up and the way I set up to make money. So, which is cool. And this is just one of the digital products that I suggest. But like I said, when you make your purchase, the Digital Income Starter Kit itself is a product that you could brand and resell. And I'm going to give you 2 additional products that you can also sell as well, to where you can market and promote them and get master resale rights and sell them as your own. Going back, I just I like I said, I know that it's very hard to get started, so that's why I created this. And I stress it's really broken down. It's made really, really simple, so that you can go through these modules and go through the steps with ease. And again, like I say, I stress you're going to invite it to the community if you get stuck. I have a great customer support team. So what are you going to get inside of here? One, not only am I going to give you the product, right? I'm going to give you the actual landing pages, right? So I've already pre-built the landing pages for you. And the software that we're using that you're going to need to host these landing pages is absolutely free. So it's a free software, and when you click the button to import it into that software, it comes into that software in one click. And then the product that I'm actually giving you, I show you if you want to rebrand it, because you don't have to. I just recommend that people rebrand their own products and make it their own, make it looks like them, because when you start getting in promoting, you want your product to stand out and really represent you. All right, so that's an option. You don't have to do that. I just put the videos in place in case somebody wanted to change colors, change fonts, change graphics, change the name, whatever that stuff. And I give you all the templates, and like I said, I give you the exact landing page and the funnel that I'm using to sell it. So you won't have to create the product. You won't have to create the funnel or the landing pages. It's all going to be done for you. And of course, not only do I give you paid products that you can sell, when I say paid products, that means the products that you sell that you'll be able to receive payments that you're selling to the public. Because I do give you some products that you don't have to pay for. You get them and they're included as bonuses when you purchase a Digital Income Starter Kit. What I mean, not only do I actually give you products like that, but I also give you freebie lead magnet products. So one of the most important things, you want to be trying to collect emails. If you're starting out, it might be harder to sell, but while you're growing your social media, while you're growing your credibility and polishing yourself as an entrepreneur, you can still be collecting emails, and your emails can nurture everybody and get them closer towards becoming an actual customer. So I give you lead magnets as well that you can give away for free in exchange for people's email addresses. So I'm going to give you those, and I'm giving you the good ones that actually work for me, that I'm actually using. Other people are also having success. All right. And then I'm going to give you the landing page for that, right? You won't have to create it from scratch. And I'm going to give you the template. It's a Canva template that you can use in the free version of Canva. All right, if you don't have Pro, it's totally cool, and you can edit it, change the colors, change the fonts, change all of that stuff. And then I break everything down for you. So like, Ronnie, when I have my digital product, you're giving me the landing page, like, how do I edit it? And there's videos in that for you, included in each step. So each step is telling you what is happening, how to do it. Made it very simple, just a click of a button. It goes into your free funnel building software, the product, and all of that stuff. And then I show you how to make the changes to the actual funnel or the landing pages. All right. And the changes are very, very minimal. You can go as far as you want, but I tried to make it almost as close to perfect so that you have to make some minor changes. Okay. So there's a total A to Z tutorial on how you can use the software to do that. And it all comes inclusive in the Digital Income Starter Kit. I'm also going to even show you how to set up your business email. So you don't want to be using at Gmail or at Yahoo or at AOL. Please tell me you're not still using AOL. Here are all the bonuses right here. All right, so I already said the 200 plus Canva templates. I'm going to give you access to my how I made 27K with an ebook. You're going to get that. And I'm going to give you 100 plus videos of done for you content. Plus, I'm going to give you more email templates for digital products. Now, these are a little bit more fill in the blank style templates. So if you're selling various products, all you got to do is just put the product name in there. You won't have to change too much of the copy. So that's my gift to you, a bonus for you. And there's so much more in here. I'll probably make a part 2 of this video because I don't want to make it too long. All right, so I'm going to stop right there. I just wanted to get your mouth watering and just tell you there's some stuff out there that can actually help you. I worked hard on creating this, but it's only $27 at the time of this video, and you can get started and you'll have 99.99% of everything you need to get started selling digital products. Super excited about it. It's been going crazy so far since we launched it, and everything you need will be down below this video. So just click the links there, go check it out.